Three people lost their life after a taxi slammed into a truck on Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Three people are dead following a crash involving a taxi along Brunswick Avenue in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Saturday afternoon. The incident occurred around 3:30 p.m. when a taxi driver reportedly lost control of a Nissan lled wagon motor car and rear-ended a truck loaded with sand near a stoplight at McCoy Land, according to preliminary police report. The male driver of the car and two female passengers died on the scene. The crash took place less than 24 hours after firefighter Shaheen Nelson was killed in a two-vehicle collision in the Brunswick Avenue area. The identities of those who were killed in the crash have not yet been released by the police up to the publication of this report. Links 007 TV though will continue to track this story and have more details to come in a subsequent newscast.